is the most amazing and spectacular views, and I haven't even seen anything yet. I never thought I would experience this in my life. The rest of the world and the rest of the Australians out there who are so naive, they need to get out here and explore and appreciate how beautiful this country is. Alright guys, we're on Duku Road, which is a famous road in China. This commute we're currently doing is a 600 kilometer commute, alright? Now this one road has up to 4 seasons along. This can change 4 times on 600 kilometer in one day. Our photographer that's in our car currently, he was just explaining to us that what I've seen so far isn't even beautiful. I was like, what do you mean, man? Like, the whole trip is insane. Unfortunately, we're not going to see any snow because it's not winter at the moment, but it is spectacular. The cliffs around us, the terrain, the infrastructure running through these mountains is mind-blowing. I never thought I would experience this in my life, and I've been to Switzerland, and I mean, it's very different to like Switzerland or New Zealand. They're very beautiful in other ways, and I think New Zealand is spectacular, and same with Switzerland. However, I think what makes this different to those other places is being able to drive through some of the craziest terrains and then highways and then craziest terrains and still commuting to your destination. The event organizers that have put this event together for Tank have done a really good job. But this is just normal to them. They commute like this. It's very common in China to get a group of tanks and to do a trip like this. The guys did this last year. They were telling us, the guys that were driving us around, and they said last year the sky was blue, really blue. Now, unfortunately, it is hazy. So the seasons do change, and depending on when you come here, it's very different. So I've been running on 4 hours sleep a night. Last night was actually 3 hours sleep. Look at this guy. Full past. I don't want to miss out on things. So everyone might be like, man, how are you running on 3 hours sleep? But I need to explore. Wherever I go, I need to explore. I don't care, I don't sleep. I'll sleep later. Don't worry, it's fine. When I die, I sleep. But when I'm traveling, I want to see everything, do everything, you know, taste everything, smell it. I want to experience it. So that's, for me, I'll just go out and I'm not going out drinking or clubbing. I'm just going out, experiencing everything, see what I can, you know, take from that place I'm visiting. So when I come back from trips, most people are recovered. I'm like wrecked. I'm hoping you're enjoying this journey with us. It's spectacular. Please enjoy. Let's go. Okay guys, we literally have gone from the desert, and if it was in a cooler month, we would have seen snow 100%. But you can tell it snows here because if you look at the color of the water, it's got that like bluey, greeny tinge. Look how stunning this is. How amazing is this? We are in China, and it does not feel like we are in China.
Yes, you're in China.
Are we? Are you sure we're in China?
Yeah, of course we're in China.
Rico, yeah. I mean, I know you look Chinese, and the driver looks Chinese, but within 1 hour, we've gone from the desert to this. Oh my God, Aussie crew, come on guys. Let's hear it. What do you guys think of China?
Oh my God!
This is bloody beautiful.
It's fully sick, man.
Mate, I cannot believe what we're seeing. This is insane. It's so beautiful and picturesque. It's an amazing experience, and I think the rest of the world and the rest of the Australians out there who are so naive, they need to get out here and explore and appreciate how beautiful this country is. That's awesome. That's good news. I'm glad you're enjoying the trip. Oh, well, guys, just keep filming, plenty of content, and let's go. Okay, guys, I was just having a conversation. I wanted to get the drone shot from that sick coming up that mountain. Anyway, yesterday they crashed the drone and I was like, can I get your footage? And I go, do you have any drones left? He goes, yeah, we got more drones left. How many have you already crashed?
We take so many drones. We lost this time 4 drones.
You lost 4 drones?
Yes, 2 FPV lost in water.
Come on, man, look at this.
Bird just flew right past.
I couldn't believe it. I was flying the drone and I was like, there's a wolf drinking from the water. A wolf, have a look. I'm chasing him. Okay, guys, so we've just filmed a wolf out here. Now we're gonna go have a look at some horses. I'm fucking blown away. Literally, a few days ago, I was in Chongqing, a mega city with buildings, lights, the most crazy infrastructure. Now I've crossed the desert and now I'm... So guys, we've pretty much come back down now. We went up to about 3,000 meters high, and I missed it, but there was you could see all the snow on the top of the mountains. It was really pretty, but it was just the angle, we couldn't get the right shot. So we're heading back down now, but we're noticing it's changing again. It's just getting greener and greener and greener. So it went from like desert, we went up the mountain, it was like snow, then we're coming back down and it's like all green. So it's really cool. So cute. Hello. I think we're going to check everyone's luggage to make sure these dogs don't come with us. So apparently there's a toilet here and the girls are complaining that literally has no doors. Let's have a look inside. They got a fireplace in here so you can sleep in here. This would be epic to stay here. I would love that. Anyway guys, I nearly lost my drone. Flew it straight into a power line, you'll see it, and it just does a barrel roll and keeps going and corrected itself. Thank goodness, because I got my drone back and the footage. But anyway, it's been an experience. We're just on the road, we're still touring, and it's just changing, so it's really green. It's so cold, I'm wearing a t-shirt and pants, but anyway, and shorts. But it's just absolutely stunning through here. And these would be the toilets, the girls. Oh my God. Holy moly, that's a toilet. And you got the view, look at that, that's beautiful. All right guys, so we're just in the car and everyone is waiting in the car, all the foreigners, and the tank crew are trying to sort us out to be able to cross this border. So you can see out there, everyone's out there trying to sort it out. It's like a sensitive area where we're going through. We have to go near it to get to where we need to get through. So they're trying to get us a pass to get through. So let's see what happens.
Yeah, so we're not allowed to go past this checkpoint anymore.
Yep.
Because from this checkpoint forward, it's no foreigners at all.
Yeah,
Because
right.
It's a like highly classified military area.
Oh, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, see what happens. We'll go back and talk to them, but I don't think they're gonna allow us.
Okay. All right, guys. Long story short, we were in the police border for around, I don't know, 4 hours, I guess. And now we are in a car on the way back to where we were yesterday. We woke up this morning, so we got to return back there because we couldn't get through due to restrictions with the military base. Full send. Full send, let's go. Back to the hotel. We're in the back of the iX35. Man, the suspension on this thing is busted, eh? Literally, we're going down, we're descending. We're hitting bumps coming down and we're hitting the bump stops. And then it's just like, boom, and lifting the rear off and we're kind of like going flying like a pogo stick. Woohoo, there we go again, okay. Anyway, another thing is, man, the Tank 300s here are insane. They're everywhere. And not like just in our convoy, they're just literally everywhere. Everywhere. No, that's a J2 and J2.